I hope you have learned the words now and you know all the alphabets. The next one we are going to learn now is Arkaavali. Very important one is Arkaavali, or it is also has one more name, that is Arkaavathu. Okay, this is the one which we are going to learn. How is this symbol? This is the symbol. This is also a number 9 in Kannada. Okay, but when it comes to the word, this is not a number 9. This will be called as Arkaavali or Arkaavathu. So now we'll learn how to read the word when there is a Arkaavali. For example, if you have like this, then how do you read it? So this is what we are going to learn today. Okay, so we'll start with our learning. Always remember, in Arkaavali, it is a quite tricky one. Okay, so now I write the letter. I use the same thing. Okay, so this is read as karma. This is read as karma. Okay, this is read as karma. So how it sounds like a karma? From where it sounds like a karma? So I have a ka, I have a ma. What is this called as? This is basically called as ar. Ar. This is basically called as ar. You remember now? Why do we use half letters? We need half letters. Ar. So I cannot use this symbol with the letters like this. You can't use it. If you use it also, you can't pronounce it. If you have some just like this, then you can't pronounce this. It always needs a supporting letter. Okay, you cannot just say this as a kar. That's wrong. If you want to say it as a kar, then remember there should be one letter after the ka. Then it comes the symbol, ar symbol. Then together it is called kar. But you can also write like this. When you write the word, you can write like that. That is right. But when you are using this, you cannot use this symbol, write immediately ka and say it as a kar. That is not possible. You need some letter before this symbol, after the ka, to call it as a kar. When you add a letter here, then this will become karma. You understood? Now one more example I will give. Kar va. Then how do you read this? Gar va. Very good. Char ma. Remember, you cannot read this. You cannot read if it is just like this. Okay, next. How do you read this? Shar ma. Very good. Dhar ma. Understood now? So keep it in the mind. You have one letter, then there should be one more letter. Then the ar symbol will come and then you call this as a kar. Then you will add the middle letter. Clear? That's how you pronounce. And it is not mandatory that always this has to be an end and after this there is no word, no letter. No. You can also have like this. See, how do you read this now? Par. After that par, we have a va. Then we have a ta. Then what happened? Parvata. You understood? Very good. Similarly. Okay, we have not done this. I use a different word. Sorry for that. Okay. Now, the first letter is Dar. Na. Together, what will happen? Darshana. Very good. So that's how we read the Arkaavali. Remember, if you have immediately like this, you cannot read Arkaavali. You need one supporting letter. So this is how you read Arkaavali. Let me give few words for you. Let me see if you have understood or not. Your first word is Artha. 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 See, I'll give one more example. When I say the word Artha, what did I say first? Ar. Write that. Ar. Tha. Write it in between. That's it. Use few days, use the arrow mark, then you will understand. Now let's try that second word. Ardha. 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 Ardha means half. Ardha means meaning. Ardha. See, ardha. Ardha. Clear? Yes. Next is Varma. 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 Very good. Let me try. Let me see. Varma. Next one. Vartaka. 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 See, you cannot insert two letters in between this. You can add only one letter. So you cannot add both the letters, ta and ka. That's wrong. Ta, then ka. The other letter will go after Arkaavali. Clear? I hope you have understood now. Yes. After this, you have a words. Read the words. Prepare yourself. Practice more times. If you have not understood, again go back. Listen to the lesson once again. Clear all the doubts. If you still have the doubts, you can just mail me also. Because this is a little tricky one. You might get confused. More and more you practice, you will understand easily. I hope you have understood. Now, till now, we have done the letters, half letters, words and Arkaavali. In the next section, we'll learn some more things. Before that, complete all these things and then come to the next lesson. Okay?